Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I'm back with another Easter card for you today. I got this freebie die cut bunny from my recent order from Jamie's shop. This bunny die cut is so adorable that I need to make a card using it. So I'm showing you the Copic markers that I used to color this adorable bunny. I did very simple coloring on this adorable bunny because I need to use Copic markers because I think this die cut image is it's not printed on watercolor paper, so I need to color it with my Copic markers. I don't have a lot of Copic markers because I don't use them a lot, so I have just a few of them. But I tried my best to color this adorable bunny. I'm just going to finish coloring this and we'll move on to the next step. I'm going to use one pattern paper from this Doodlebug Hippity Hoppity 6x6 paper pad. So I chose the carrots pattern paper. I want to have a border when I adhere this pattern paper on my card base, so I'm going to cut that a little bit smaller than my card base. So I'm gonna cut this with my guillotine trimmer, erase the pencil mark, and then I will do the same thing with my panel. I'm going to measure it, or not measure, but you know, I don't measure things. I only measure my card base because I want them to be exact the same size, but I just, you know, for the panels or matting, I just use a pencil to mark where I want, and then I'll just cut it like that. I have my scraps of Doodlebug papers that I'm have, and I don't wanna throw my scraps of these papers because I really like them, so I try to use them on cards. So for these ones, I'm cutting them 1/2 inch strips, and then I will add that on my panel. I already have my double-sided adhesive on my panel. All I need to do is remove the release paper and adhere my strips of pattern papers. I'm not going to add anything on the bottom part of the panel because that's where I'm going to stamp my sentiment. And I also need to adhere my my grass in between the sentiment and the strips of pattern papers. After I'm done adhering all the strips of pattern papers, I'm going to cut the excess paper that are hanging off the panel with my trimmer. I have leftover of die cut grass from my projects last time, so I'm using it on this card. And the die that I use is Hello Bluebird Grassy Knoll die set. And the paper is from Not Too Shabby, that's for Spring 6x6 paper pad. Let's go ahead and adhere our matting on our mini slimline card base. Measures 6 1/4 by 3.5 inches. And we'll also go ahead and adhere our panel on top of our matting. For my sentiment, I'm going to use Happy Easter sentiment from Simon's Stamp You Make Me Happy. I have my Misti to help me stamp my sentiment, and I'm going to stamp it on the bottom of my card, line that up, and then I will ink it up with VersaFine Onyx Black ink. And then we can adhere our adorable bunny image, and I'm using foam tape on this one, and then I will add a little bit of liquid glue on the bottom because I want his feet on the grass, and then his body is off the background a little bit, so that's how I did it. I added some Jello Roll clear Stardust pen on the carrot on the body shirt, and I will fix the Happy Easter sentiment with my Memento black marker. For the embellishment, I have this another freebie that I got from Jamie's shop when I ordered last time, and this one is the I don't know what you call this one. These are not the cup sequence, they're flat, so I really like this for shaker cards too. For the inside of the card, I'm cutting the cut parts from the paper pad, Hippity Hoppity paper pad from Doodlebug, and I'm just going to adhere that strip of paper on the bottom part of the inside of the card, and then cut the excess. And my adorable bunny card is complete. I love this digital bunny image from Not Too Shabby Shop. I'm going to link everything in my description box below. I hope you liked today's card, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.